Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Fargo app. First, open the Fargo app mobile in your phone. If you are not signed in yet, enter your username and password to log in. Once you are signed in, find the option that says set up Face ID or Touch ID. This is usually in the menu or setting area. Then tap on Face ID or Touch ID option. You will ask to confirm your identity using built-in Face ID or Touch ID scanner. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. If you don't see biometric option in the app, if you have to enable the phone setting. For that, go to the setting app on your phone. In the search bar, type Fargo and make sure your Face ID or Touch ID are enabled inside the app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.